we set out to start the season to have our best season ever if we could, and that would be finishing in the top 6 and seeing where that brings us. But for us to finish third, only been back in the league 5 years, and obviously went to Europe 2 years ago, and now finishing third is a huge credit to everybody at our football club, the board, Rob, Becky, all the people who work at the club, the volunteers, and the lads. They've been fantastic since the day they came in pre-season, and we just knew there was a focus about them this year, that they wanted to do something special, and we've achieved something that the club hasn't done for a long time, and we know there's a big prize at the end of it, and we know how tough it's going to be to win the playoffs, but that's our focus now for now in the next 5 weeks.
Adeg yma'r tymor, mae momentum yn rhywbeth holl bwysig, felly dwi'n cymryd bod peidio colli gemau hefyd yn eithriadol bwysig.
Eto, i ddim really obsessed â hwnna. Perfformiad a gweld gwelliant yn y chwarae sydd eisiau annau, a'r pethau ni'n gweithio arno, achos fi'n gwybod y pethau ni'n gweithio arno'n gywir. So os mae'r boys yn perfformio stwff sydd ar y cae ymarfer a roi ar waith ar y gêm, fi'n hapus. Ac heno ni'n gweld digon i fod yn hapus iawn.
They're always tight when we play them. They beat us in the semi-final like 2 years ago. We do remember that. But yeah, we would like to get the 3 points and take momentum. But as we changed formation today, we wanted to keep the ball, and hopefully that's plenty positives moving forward.
And finally, from a personal point of view, you've stepped up to be captain here. How's the captaincy treating you?
Yeah, well, to be fair, I'm really happy with it. Obviously, Langi moved on to Brighton, and obviously I was next in line. So for me, I've come through here. Obviously when I left TNS, started all the way through doing uni, and obviously now teaching. And it's just a whole process of what this club offers. So yeah, it's really proud for me, and hopefully lead the boys to where we want to get to.
Ar ôl sicrhau'r trydydd safle yna, pa mor anodd fydd o wan i gadw'r ffocws na ag ail ffocysu mewn ffordd ar gyfer y gemau ail gyfle?
Bydd hi'n gael, os mae gymaint o gap o diwedd y season i'r play-off final, neu'r play-off semi-final, ond sa'n deall lle mae hwnna'n dod o, ond yn y Cymru ni, mae rhaid ni gweithio galed, a sa'n cael gawn ni chance i resto gyda pens, ond bydd y boys mewn a gweithio galed trwy'r amser.